Hello and welcome to all. Today's session we'll see complete POM framework real-time project demo using Selenium Java. And for today's demo, we are going to consider the QA full stack QA mindset web page. Okay, and for today's demo, we are going to automate one use case. That is, we are going to enter the correct username, email or email address, correct password, click on login button. And now if you see POM framework directory structure, it looks like here we can see we have source main Java. Under source main Java, we have config package, library, then listener, page object, model one. Okay, if in case we have multiple models, okay, we'll consider page object model one, model two, model three. Okay, so as I mentioned in our last session, so for page object model, okay, we are going to add the respective web page the pages or IDs or XPath or and the respective functions. Okay, then test data, utilities, okay, under source test Java. Okay, we are going to create a test methods or test models. Okay, and we have a pom.xml where we are going to add them all the dependencies. And if in case we are going to add the screenshot or the logs, we will add respective folders. Okay. So now we'll automate one use case. Okay. So here I'm going to open the Eclipse and I have created the one Maven project. Here you can see source main Java is there, which is a blank. Okay. Source test Java is also there. We have a form.xml. Okay. And now if you see form.xml, so I have added the dependency Selenium Java and the TestNG 7.11.0 and the WebDriver Manager as well I have added. Okay, how we'll add it? Simply we need to open the Google and here just we need to mention Selenium, Java, Maven dependencies. Click on search and from this website simply come here mavenrepository.com and from here you can add it. Okay, so whatever dependency you need to add it. Okay, same way here you just simply come TestNG Maven dependency, search it and add the TestNG's repository. Okay. So as I mentioned, so for today's demo, we are going to add here entering the username, password, and click on login button. Okay, so now if you see, if you inspect the username, okay, so this is user ID, username is the ID. Okay, you can take it anything. Password you can also take it. XPath, okay, and here is the password. ID is password. Okay, now what I will do? Okay, so here I'm closing form.xml and here I'm going to add one class. Okay, so now we'll see full stack home screen. We'll say full stack home. We'll click on finish. Okay, we'll consider this is the home screen. Okay, and here we are going to add all the objects available on the web page like username, password, login button. Okay, and the method we are going to use for enter username, enter password. Okay, so now how we'll add it? First, we need to define a string username is equal to, we'll just mention ID, right? This is username. Then string password is equal to, we'll put it password. Okay. So why we are defining these things? So if in case in future, if this user ID or username or password, this will either ID or name or XPath get changed. So we need to change in only one place. No need to change multiple places. Okay. So I'm going to define as a public. Okay. Okay. And now what we'll do, we'll do it get method like we'll say public web element and get first name or username, get username. Okay, and return type we need to mention web element only. Element, okay, we'll put return clearly element. Okay, we need to add the library or open Selenium. Okay, and here okay, we need to define the null. Okay, so here what we need to do it here is driver dot. Okay, so now we need to initialize the one driver variable. Okay, how will we do it? We'll create a constructor. Okay, we'll do constructor like full stack, and here driver, and here we need to add the libraries. Okay, I will add public web driver is equal to null. Okay, and here I'm going to initialize driver this driver. Okay, so what we need to do it here? We need to do it driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, so id is our username. Okay, here is the username. So I'm going to give id username. Okay, I need to give these things because we already defined it. Okay, and it's written syntax error. Okay, same way we need to do it for the get password. Okay, get username, get password. We'll mention okay by id, and here we'll copy the same password, this string. Okay, so now if you see here I have defined capital P, okay, but in application our small p is there. Okay, so if in case this password got changed like in application pass, then I will just change here. Okay, then automatically no need to change all the places. Okay, so now I got the get username, get password. Okay, now what I will do, I am going to create a one more method. Okay, and that method name is enter public. Okay, I will make public void enter username. Okay, and I need to pass the data, right? String data. I will just mention here. I will come here and here I will use the try catch. Okay, here you can see get message. Okay, now here I will access the get username using getter method. Get username dot send keys. Okay, either you can clear it. Okay, or so as part of today's demo, I'm just directly adding the data and passing the data. Okay, send keys. Okay, now same way, what I will do, I will mention the enter password. Okay, enter username, enter password. Okay, and here string I will mention password. Okay, get, and here get password dot send keys. Okay, okay. So now here you can see I have created the form, the one class. Okay, and in that one class I have defined all the locators name and along with the respective methods. Okay, getter like get uh, username, get password, then enter username, enter password. Okay, this is a respective to uh, our home screen. Okay, if it is a common, then we can add it under the our common package like as I shown earlier. Okay, now here we are going to create a now our test method using TestNG. Okay, just open TestNG, and here new test and say QA full stack home screen. Okay, and here I am going to add before suite and after suite and the test methods. Okay, if you have multiple data, we can add the data provider and all the details. Okay, so before suite I will keep up. Okay, and now okay, control shift F formatting, I did it. Okay, now here what we will do it. Okay, we will mention web driver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup full date. Driver is equal to, okay, so here first we need to define the driver web driver driver is equal to null. We have initialized the driver. Now here new Chrome driver. Okay, so now here you can see we'll add it WebDriver org remove it driver will put it. Okay, new Chrome driver will not take specific to Chrome driver. Okay, new driver, new Chrome driver. We'll take it new Chrome driver. Okay, fine. Yeah, and after switch we will quit it. Okay. And inside this test method, what we'll do, we'll add our logic. Okay, so this is the exception handler. This is the good practice. So if we use the exception handling in each test case, that will be good. So here you can see get message. If in case it's failure, we'll get the message. Okay, and here what I will do, I'm going to create a object of full stack homes. Okay, home is equal to new. Okay, and passing the driver. Okay, and from here home dot. Okay, we will call the enter username. Okay, and from here we'll pass the data like full stack keyway at the rate expert.com. Okay, and the same way we'll add password home dot enter password, and password is admin at the rate 123. Okay, and okay, so what I will do here, I'm going to give the explicitly I will add the slip so that we'll understand. Okay, we'll see quickly. Okay, now here you can see I have added the before suite and after suite driver.quit I have written, and this is my entire test methods. Okay, this is my login script. Okay, so I have not added the click button. Okay, I'm just adding the enter username, enter password. That's it. Okay, so we'll add it. Like if in case you want to add the click button, you'll add the click button, and after that we can put the assertion. Okay, but as part of today's demo, I'm just adding the or entering the username, entering the password. That's it. Okay. Now here I'm going to run it. Now here you can see. So this class we have like as per the design pattern, we have all the locators and the respective methods. Okay, and this is the test methods. Okay, we have a different test methods. So I have written today only one test method, only one use case, that is login script. Okay, and using this full stack QA object, we are just entering the username and the password. Okay, and later we can add the method like click button, and after that we'll put the assertion and we'll do the verification for the login script. Okay, maybe we have a different test case like verify the validation message. Okay, once user enter the correct username or wrong password, we'll add the second method same way here how we added. Okay, but as part of today's demo, I'm going to cover only one use case. Okay, now if you execute this one, okay, just click on run as TestNG. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so here it will get fail. Okay, because we have initialized driver, but we have not opened the browser. We'll see what error is coming. Okay, so now here you can see driver, we have created a driver object, but we have not initialized the our full stack QA mindset. Okay, so browser is open, so that means our script is correct. Okay, but if you see error message, okay, console or result, okay, so before suite here it is showing could not start a new session. Okay, application chrome.exe. Okay, so this error message is also coming Chrome driver only supports Chrome version. Okay, so it may be because of my Chrome is updated. So what I will do, So instead of Chrome browser, we'll use the Firefox. No worries. Firefox. New Firefox driver. That is also fine. Okay. And instead of opening, okay, like this will open in Firefox. So what will do? Driver dot get and this string URL. Now I'm going to hard code this one here. Okay. And we'll also maximize it. Driver dot manage dot driver dot manage dot. We'll see window dot maximize. Okay, it will maximize the things. Now control A if you want to format in control shift F. Okay, now we'll execute it. Now we'll see it will open in Firefox. It will maximize. It will enter the username. Okay, full stack mindset the expert.com and password. Okay, and here explicitly I have mentioned the delay. Okay. So now this is the way we can automate all the scripts using POM framework. So here you can see it's open the Firefox. Okay, it will enter the username. Here you can see full stack QA, and after that enter the password and stop. Now if you see result, okay, it passed. Okay, it took 2 seconds. Okay, so this way we'll add more number of scripts here under this one. If you have multiple modules, okay, then just we'll create a separate class for that respective models. Like here is the full stack home screen. Same way, if you have a search model or we have a report model, we'll add here more models and we'll add all the test cases here. And like as I shown earlier, here we'll add all the common or base or the test data libraries here under the source main Java. Okay. So that's all. If in case you have any questions, queries, please let me know. Thank you.